here in UK to take a deep dive into Jaguar Land Rover's new product creation center. It's the size of 480 football fields. It houses about 13,000 engineers and design staff, and the aim behind it was to bring designers and engineers closer together to work more closely in a very environmental friendly building. Well, it's huge, it's massive. Let's take a look inside and see what the processes are that are going to bring you your Jaguars and Land Rovers of the future. Of course, we're going to take a deeper dive into the Jaguar Design Center. The building is all new and intended to make the whole process more collaborative, bringing engineering, design and production purchasing all under one roof. The studio is a massive 12,000 square meters grouped around a central open area. Walking around the building, there are rows of people at desks on computers, busy creating either new designs or working on models of parts for an already approved design. It all begins at 11-meter 4K high-resolution digital wall where ideas and concepts are floated and discussed. After that, a lot of the work is done by computer simulation, but once that is done, the work moves to two main studios that house 10 model clay plates. There are 30 milling machines that do the work of a basic cutout of the clay model, and then there's a team of 46 sculptors that perfect the finer details by hand. The interior and exterior design are brought to final stages here, but there are separate areas for the detailing of the interiors and exteriors. The clay models can even be moved to an outside garden area to get a perspective from a height. Choosing colors for the paint is not just picking out a palette. Materials here are mixed and new shades produced in unique ways. And the process of developing and choosing interior and exterior materials are also handled by special teams. The process of creating a car, and one as beautiful as the range we see displayed out in the central areas for us today, is a long and arduous process that requires intensive attention to detail.